Hello, this is Minecraft Lego Expert. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego gumball machine. It's another one that I made. Yeah, I didn't exactly copy, but I just my inspiration was OT Lego. So, yeah, this is it. The gumball machine. So, yeah, that's the gumball machine. Put more in the light, Yeah, that's the gumball machine. That's it. It is, yeah, and it's pretty big, It's pretty big. Yeah, that's it. It comes all around. And, yeah, so first, the way you work is you have to, turn, this, so this is how it works. So put it down to here, and then you just, and gumball will come out, and then you turn it again, gumball will come out, turn it again, and the gumball will come out. I'll actually guys just get into the light. Can you give me a light? Bring me a light. Yeah, I'm just asking my brother to get me a light. Can't really see that well, so I'll just do it to you guys again. In the top here, as you can see in the back here, is a reloading. As you can see right there. So my brother just came back. I'll show you guys everything. So, I'll just plug it in. So yeah, this took me about an hour to build because I built one before. Except it had a coin slot, but it was a fake one. I built one with a fake clean slot that you don't even use. You have to have a clean slot. But okay, so here it is. There we go. That's it. Too much light. Put it up here. There we go. That's it. There we go. That's perfect. Okay, there it is. Yeah. So yeah. That's it right there. And the reloading part is right in there. So you just put number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you close it. Okay, now, and you just spin once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times, and yeah. So I'll do it one more time. So reload it in from the top. So just reload it in from the top. So just reload it from the top again. 2, 3, 4. Close the lid, and then I'll do it up close. So you just turn. Yeah. Sorry, camera. So yeah, that was my gumball machine, and I hope you like it. And please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.